Guys, I'll teach you how to eat balot in a seconds. Bumili ako ng balot. Tig-isa kami ng may analit. Ayan. Tig-isa lang. Kasi isa lang kasi pwede sa akin. I'll teach you how to eat a balot in a seconds. Yo. I'll teach you eat a balot in a seconds. Lagyan ng konting asin. Yan, no? Guys, I'll teach you eat, ano daw? I'll teach you eat balot in a seconds. Shout out kay Gemma Balot ni paring Ban at ni Tabobong. Ayan. I'll teach you eat a balot in a seconds. Done. Okay na.